Welcome to a video. I'm a Drainster, and today we're gonna review the Pop Race 787B. I'm super excited for this. This is the Renown livery, so the OG livery, the most iconic livery from the Mazda 787B. So I've got two of these here. I'm just gonna open one today, and this, from what I've seen, is pretty darn good. After the releases of the Mercedes-Benz CLK DTM, no, the CLK Group 1, what is it called? Is it the CLK GTR? There you go, CLK GTR. I mean, that was pretty fantastic. And now Pop Race have released this for just under 13 US dollars. 14 US dollars. It is an absolutely fantastic little piece of history. Mazda 787B. Here we go. Ooh. So same box as all these cars. Here it is. Ooh, okay. Okay. It's pretty nice. It's pretty loose in the box here, so be careful when you open it. So off the bat, I can already see there's two not moving, but removable parts in this car. So you got the front end. Will it come off? Yeah, here it is. Wow. So not much detail here. Honestly, they didn't really need to make this part, but I guess it's cool. I don't have a problem with that. But yeah, it does make it not line up so well, but mine does. I've seen some on display that do not line up well, but mine does. Look at that. It lines up really nice here, closed. Same for the back end. You've got a big gap, but it lines up very well. So some of the CLK GTRs did not line up well, and this lines up well. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let me just open it once more, just to show you the two magnets here. So right there under the hood. So these two magnets keep it on. And now the rear end. Oh, the wing stays on, and you've got this right here. So very nice. Not super detailed. I'd say the CLK GTR has more detail, but I do prefer this car. It's so iconic. The Mazda 787B. So you got Dunlop on the Dunlop or Dunlop? I think it's Dunlop on the tire as a tire decal. So different rims, as you can see. Very cool. There you go. I guess this is to prevent rock chips or to suck in air from the brakes, so to cool the brakes. I'm not sure it's to cool the brakes. Yeah, but very nice. Wow, it looks like it rolls very well. I'm not even rolling. Yeah, it looks pretty good to roll. My main concern with this is the ground clearance, cause on the Pop Race, the Pop Race NSX, the ground clearance was way too high, and here, as you can see, it's fine. It's genuinely fine. It doesn't scrape. It barely scrapes. Barely. No, it doesn't even scrape. Yeah, it's just very low. So exactly where it should be sitting at. Very good. Honestly, superb casting so far. Let's come to the back end of the car. Nothing special. Honestly, very happy because mine has no defects that I can see so far. The only thing I'd say isn't so good is the lining of the green around the headlights. So I feel like that isn't incredibly detailed, but it's fine. All the liveries the decals are very well put. No defects. Very happy with that. Oh, is that a defect? Now that I'm thinking about it. No, it's just a black mark right there. I just removed it. No, it's still there. Wait, let me check. It's a black mark that I think I can remove. It looks like it can be removed. I might put some water later on and see if that can be removed, but I'm pretty sure it will be removed. So let's just take a look without the both of the pieces. Here you go. Ah, boom, and here it is. Sick, pretty sick. I've seen people actually unscrew the whole thing and basically have the whole chassis removed, and it's just black throughout. Fully exposed here, just the wing, I believe. So that's the way you can do it. Tail lights still there as they should be. The diffuser, pretty nice. The under of the car, not bad. Metal. Honestly, this is a very, very solid casting. If you love the 787B, there is another brand that does it pretty good. There's Tommy Tech, and there is Motor Helix, I believe. Is it Motor Helix? I might be wrong, but those cost a lot. This is under 15 bucks. You should absolutely get this if you're a Mazda 787B fan. Of course, it won't make any sounds, but hey, what a car. What a car. And you got these little vents here. I'm pretty sure they feed into the engine, but they go behind the engine, which is pretty weird. They might feed into the brakes. I'm not sure, but look at that. These come via the holes in the engine cover. Bam, and they're here, exposed. Very, very nice. Superb casting. Superb casting. And I just wanted to compare, out of curiosity, to the Mini GT RX-7. Wow, these go well together. I mean, there is a difference in the orange. The green is the same. The green is exactly the same, but there is a difference in orange. So I'm not sure who got it right here. I'm pretty sure it's the Mazda 787B, because on the photos it does look very light orange. Here it looks pretty red orange. So and this is a Liberty Walk in the end, so it's not exactly the same. But wow, what a car. I guess I'm missing the Miata in the 787B colorway now, because yeah. Pretty sick. I mean, difference in rims, yeah. Wow. This is a really nice combo. Wasn't expecting that. I mean, actually, I was expecting that, but yeah, they're pretty much the same length as well. I thought one would be way smaller than the other, but no. What a duo. What a duo. Honestly, Pop Race have stepped up their game a huge amount. I remember when they were quite a small brand making R8s, the GT3 R8s, which were pretty good. And then they made some questionable Chevys and some questionable cars that did not have much detail. And now they're doing this with this along with the CLK GTR. This is amazing. This is such an improvement from Pop Race. Honestly, continue doing what you do, Pop Race, because this is phenomenal. I mean, take a look at that from far away. Absolutely fantastic. Here you go. For reference, wow. Honestly, wow. I'm really proud of Pop Race, because I remember buying their cars when I was like, there was not much option in the 1/64 scale, and now look at this. This is a car I would buy any day of the week, because it's so fantastic. Honestly, it's so fantastic. Yeah, if you love the history of these GT1 cars, the Mazda 787B Group C is a no-brainer. It's absolutely a no-brainer. Along with Trent's Hobby. Trent's Hobby has been doing some pretty good stuff. So these are the two brands that might surpass Mini GT. Because Mini GT, they do their stuff, no opening parts. It's pretty good. It's a little cheaper, but you want to pay more to get something better. And this is the something better. Superb casting. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.